Marathi families for matrimonial alliance who's equally qualified and professionally settled, then you are watching the right video. This is Pragati Upadhyay. Today I am here with another video on one of the best Marathi marriage bureau in Dahisar, Mumbai. A marriage bureau for Marathi elite and middle class families. A marriage bureau which is not only limited to Marathi bridegroom matchmaking services but also manages wedding vendors such as photographer, choreographer, caterer, wedding venue, music bands, as well as taking contracts for everything. From matrimonial matchmaking services to organizing weddings in Dahisar, Mumbai. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe and do not forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update. Flanked by mangroves on the west and hills of the Western Ghats on the east, Dahisar is one of the greenest neighborhoods in the city of Mumbai. Located in the city's extreme north, it is an important industrial hub. Like most suburbs in the metropolis, it is divided into two parts, Dahisar West and Dahisar East. And much like the rest of Mumbai, its skyline is a mix of skyscrapers and 1-2-story houses. Being a buzzing locality, Dahisar has no shortage of traditional markets and modern shopping malls for people to satiate their thirst for retail therapy. Sai Kripa Mall, Dahisar Central, Inorbit Mall, Oberoi Mall, Infinity Mall, D-Mart, Raghuleela Mega Mall and Annex Mall are perfect for a combined dose of shopping, dining and live entertainment under one roof. If you are thinking of dining out, then you are in luck as Dahisar is home to a vast array of restaurants serving everything from local Marathi to international favorites. Hotel Ramakrishna Tendulkar. Our forefathers believed that marriages are decided in heaven, but it is we who have to start the process. In Dahisar, Mumbai, some people meet their life partners easily and some others have to struggle to find one. It is still more difficult to get a suitable bride or groom in Dahisar, Mumbai. In good old days, marriages were arranged by friends, close family members, relatives, priests or even barbers. But in this cyber age, the search for Marathi life partner in Dahisar, Mumbai has been taken up by Marathi marriage bureaus or Marathi marriage consultancy in Dahisar, Mumbai. Today I will introduce you a Marathi matrimonial service provider in Dahisar which is efficient for those who are encountering with the problem of searching and finding the Marathi families in Dahisar for matrimonial alliances. Although there are many marriage bureaus arranging marriages in Dahisar, but the marriage bureau in Dahisar who have changed the concept of Marathi partner search and they have resolved all the drawbacks of traditional marriage broker services in Dahisar, Mumbai. Imagine a marriage bureau which delivers a great shortlist matching your brief in under 7 days and not in weeks like others. Very briefly, I am going to tell you what the Marathi family is looking for in their search for a bridegroom in Dahisar, Mumbai. Yes, they keen to match with packed people of a similar status. They also look for a personal and lifestyle change. And last, there has to be a perfect match in terms of both the family and the business. Now coming to the details of Dharma Vedic Marathi matchmaking services in Dahisar, Mumbai. Dharma Vedic offers a personalized and exclusive way to choose a life partner in absolute comfort with utmost privacy and confidentiality. We have never compromised on the quality and the services provided to the customer. We provide special and personalized online come offline services just like your neighborhood marriage bureau in Dahisar, Mumbai to find you help the right match. Frankly speaking, Dharma Vedic creates a partnership with their clients, parents, families based on trust, understanding and delivering. We're not here to make empty promises. We are here to make connections between great people and families in Dahisar, Mumbai. We're dedicated to providing superior customer service every step of the way related to marriage in Dahisar, Mumbai. That's why 9 out of 10 clients tell us they'd recommend us to their colleagues in Dahisar, Mumbai. The top features of Dharma Vedic are: number 1, we do not just sign up clients for a fee. Our team personally assesses their lifestyle and see whether they qualify to be one of our clients or not. We have a very transparent approach towards this. Number 2, we have the large Marathi database of profiles in Dahisar, Mumbai, and our service is 100% discreet and confidential. We also have handpicked matches that suit you by trained relationship managers who will facilitate meetings with prospective partners in Dahisar, Mumbai. Number 3. Our Marathi matchmaking service in Dahisar, Mumbai, a fee ranges from 65,000 rupees to over 2 lakh rupees only. One more thing, Dharma Vedic also arranges wedding vendors, wedding venue and other related things at a very great discount. At the same time, apart from arranging wedding vendors, Dharma Vedic also takes contracts for organizing weddings in Dahisar, Mumbai itself. So parents, it's high time now to find the best bridegroom for your loved one. Please make an effort to message us at 8828952895 so that we can help you throughout the Marathi matchmaking process in Dahisar, Mumbai. Join and connect with us through our videos, or you can also visit our matrimonial matchmaking portal www.dharmavedic.com. If you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe it and do not forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Stay tuned and stay fit. Namaste. Thank you.